Good day and welcome to Grind and Grow. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. Your support helps us create more videos like this. Want to earn money while you sleep? No boss, no deadlines, no showing your face on camera. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools people are using to make real passive income in 2025 going forward. Whether you're a total beginner or already on your hustle, these tools can help you create content, sell products, and grow income streams, all without coding, hiring, or burnout. And yes, you can start today. Top 5 AI tools for passive income in 2026. Tool number 1, Pictory AI. As a beginner, if you want to make YouTube videos like this one, but don't want to write scripts, record voiceovers, or do any editing, this tool is your best friend. Pictory AI lets you turn simple ideas or scripts into full videos. You choose a topic, type your text, and it generates a video with voiceover, stock footage, animations, and even subtitles. You can pick from hundreds of templates: finance, health, travel, motivation, you name it. Faceless YouTube channels are booming in 2025 and going forward. People are making money through ad revenue, affiliate links, and channel memberships, all using AI like Pictory to do the heavy lifting. If you're watching this right now, there's a good chance this video was made with Pictory. So yes, it works. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. All you need is patience, since YouTube analytics depends on your creative consistencies in making videos for at least 2 to 3 times a week. Check the link in the description to try it free or upgrade for more features. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. Next is ChatGPT, the engine behind your ideas. Need a script, a blog post, a product description? ChatGPT can write it for you. Think of it like your personal content assistant. You tell it what you need: a 1,000-word article, a catchy video intro, a sales email, and it delivers in seconds. Just type the right and concise commands or prompts, and ChatGPT will deliver. Want to run a YouTube channel? Use ChatGPT to write your scripts, then plug them into Pictory. Want to sell digital products? ChatGPT can help you create them. Ebooks, guides, checklists, even course outlines. The key to passive income is automation. ChatGPT helps you automate the thinking part, so you can scale faster and work smarter. Tool number 3, Canva. Now let's talk about Canva. Whether you're posting videos, writing blogs, or selling products, presentation matters. Canva is a free design tool that makes everything look professional, even if you have 0 graphic design skills. Need a YouTube thumbnail that pops? Canva. Need a social media post to promote your product? Canva. Need an ebook cover? Again, Canva. And here's the magic. With Canva's magic right, you can generate text right inside the app. Quotes, social captions, summaries, all AI generated. Brand your content, grow your audience, and sell more, just by making things look good. Tool number 4, Gumroad. Gumroad lets you sell digital products with no monthly fees. It's perfect for beginners. Let's say you use ChatGPT to create a Notion planner, or Canva to design a digital journal, or Pictory to make a mini course. Upload them to Gumroad, set a price, and share the link. You can even connect your Gumroad store with your YouTube channel or social accounts. Drop your link in the description. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn money, even while you sleep. Thousands of creators are earning hundreds or even thousands a month, starting with just one product. The best part? Gumroad handles delivery, payment, and even refunds. You just create and collect. Tool number 5, Koala Writer. Last but not least is Koala Writer, an AI tool that writes SEO or search engine optimization blog posts in minutes. Blogs are making a comeback in 2025, but not the boring kind. Smart creators are publishing articles with affiliate links, product reviews, and AI-generated tips, earning money when people read and click. Koala Writer uses AI to help you rank on Google. You pick a topic, set your keywords, and it does the rest. No fluff. Just well-written posts that bring traffic. Add affiliate links from Amazon, share a sale, or your own products, and your content starts earning month after month. Stay consistent. Publish new content at least 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is the key. Let's recap. Pictory AI for creating faceless videos like this. ChatGPT for scripts, products, and automation. Canva for thumbnails, branding, and content design. Gumroad for selling digital products online. Koala Writer for blog content that makes money. These tools aren't just trending. They're transforming how everyday people build wealth online. You don't need to be famous. You don't need a big budget. You just need a plan, consistency, and the right tools. Drop a comment. Which tool are you most excited to try? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly tips on AI tools, faceless content, and passive income ideas. All the tools mentioned are linked in the description. Some even have free trials or bonuses. You've got what it takes to build your passive income stream in 2025 and into the future. Start today. The future is automated, and it's waiting for you. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching Grind and Grow, and I'll see you in the next one.